Maayong adlaw, this is J. Perpetual Kid at tara! Let's explore Dumaguete! For today's video, let's have a quick look at Unwind Boutique Hotel Dumaguete, located at Captain De Leon Drive, Buño Road, Dumaguete City. Marami silang accommodation options dito. But for now, let's focus on one of their cabanas. Habang naglalakad tayo papunta sa ating cabana, let's appreciate the relaxing garden. By the way, kung gusto nyo mag-relax at magpamasahe, meron silang spa located at this spot. At andito na nga tayo sa isa sa kanilang cabana huts. Tara, pasukin natin. This cabana has one king bed and can accommodate up to 3 guests. It is fully air-conditioned with flat-screen TV, small refrigerator, safety deposit box, at cabinet. At ito naman ang kanilang comfort room. For more details, please contact them on their official Facebook page. Again, this is J. Perpetual Kid and we explored Unwind Boutique Hotel in Dumaguete. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!